Your next car could be the 2018 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take a closer look at this refined and luxurious Sienna. This standard-setting minivan brings comfort, connectivity, and versatility to every family outing. Its smart technology, bold design, and smooth, powerful ride give you the confidence you need to navigate your busy life. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Treat yourself to a test drive in this smart and stunning Sienna. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will tailor your experience to meet your unique needs.